Hi guys, welcome back. It's Lisa. If you are new to the channel, welcome. I hope you will stick around and subscribe. Today I've got another super simple glam DIY for us. We're going to be making a pair of glam pillar candle holders. And so what you're going to need some of these icy gems, and you can get these at EFavormart. EFavormart is an online retailer of event decor, event lighting, event supplies, and so much more. I will have EFavormart's information along with my custom affiliate links in the description box below for you guys to check them out. Now what you're going to need from Dollar Tree, you're going to need 2 of these Crackle candle holders, or you could use 2 of these kind of a fluted mini vase. You will need 4 of these taper candle holders. Now I'm going to be using hot glue on my project, but if you'd like to make any of the components permanent, please use something like an E6000 or an epoxy bond, and that will help to make it permanent. These are the items that we'll need in order to complete this beautiful project. If I decide to use any additional items, I will list those down in the description box below for you as well. So let's get started. Okay, you guys, didn't these glam crystal candle holders turn out absolutely beautifully, and they were so easy to make. Now you can certainly add as much or as little embellishment on these as you'd like, but let's go ahead and get started decorating with them. Well, there you have it, you guys. Another beautiful and super simple glam DIY. I hope you all will give this easy DIY a try. If you like these kinds of glam DIYs and glam videos, please be sure to share my videos with your friends. If you are new to the channel, please subscribe and hit the notifications bell so that you don't miss any of the future uploads. Thank you all very much, and I will see you in the next video. Bye-bye.